In today's video, we will be looking at how you can extract data through Data Studio, get that data exported, and then fed into a third-party application like JMP. The first part of setting that up is by launching our spreadsheet designer. In the spreadsheet designer, you'll have to navigate into the data section and open up Data Studio configuration. And in that tab, what you will do is input the configuration name for what we call our DVC or data view configuration. And I'm just going to give it a unique name like DS demo jump 3. All you have to do is select the particular columns that you're interested in capturing within, for example, a particular table details. All you have to do is click on map, save the configuration to a folder. The second section of exporting your data to JMP involves going into the cloud administration portal. Is select add new configuration here at the top right hand side for you to be able to add that new configuration file. So all you have to do is select upload. So in this case, it's DS demo jump 3. Select that. So we're just going to select new and all existing record items and finally create configuration. We were quickly going to search for our particular DVC here. Once that's done, you'll see that there's a status changed bar up here. And what you can also look is in the audit log, you'll have a view of what changes were made for that particular section. So you can see that we have added our DS demo jump 3 DVC configuration, as well as changing that status to active. You can start querying that data through the file access section. Here is the particular table that we're interested in, which is the DS Secure Access demo. And once that's selected, what we can do is import that table. It will now fetch all the data within it and generate the appropriate view of the table that we have seen. This contains all your data from all the different records and runs that you've generated, along with the different sample groups and concentrations. So what you can do is quickly add some of those items like sample group to your x-axis, and then, for example, concentration to your y-axis. Would like to look at a box and whisker plot. So that's really a summary of how you can bring data directly from Polar through our data warehouse and out for you to be able to access through JMP. Thank you.